Hi besties! Today we'll be making OKPA ENUGU. So we'll be using just 5 ingredients. Pepper, uziza seed, salt, the baba of the occasion, OKPA, Bambara nuts, then red oil. So I measured out 5 cups of OKPA flour. I started by sieving it in case of any dirt inside. The secret of super soft delicious OKPA lies in the mixing. And I'm using 1.5 cup of red oil for this OKPA. I poured my red oil and mixed with my hand. Mix it very well until you get this vibrant and inviting color, because after this period, you won't add oil again. When the OKPA flour was well coated with red oil as desired, I poured in my hot water. You mix it very well so you won't have any lumps in your OKPA. I go in with my hand to mix until there was no lumps again. I added water to loosen it because it was a bit thick. Make sure the OKPA is not too thick, not too watery, just in between. So it was perfectly mixed. I added my salt, mixed it. Added my blended uziza seed, mixed it. Next, I added my fresh pepper. I added pepper and stir it. I tested for salt and it was perfect. I scooped the okpa into my nylon. Tie the nylon of okpa tightly so it won't break while cooking. So I tied it. I dropped it inside my pot of boiling water. I covered the pot, allowed it to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Our okpa ENUGU is ready. So after some minutes, the okpa was ready to be served with chilled Coca-Cola, custard, pap. Honestly, I must say the okpa was super delicious. Everybody enjoyed it. So will you be trying this? Tell me in the comment section and see you on my next one. Bye bye.